Hello out there and welcome to today's class. Today we shall be looking at mathematics and the topic on the board is substitution in logarithm. Alright, so we have a question on the board. If log 2 equals 0.3010 and log 7 equals 0.8451, evaluate without using mathematical table or calculator Roman figure 1 log 0.2 and Roman figure 2 log 35 raised to the power of 2. All right, so how do we solve this question? Okay, we are given this, and then we are asked to find this without using calculator or mathematical table. So let's start. Solution: log 0.2. Now, the first step here is to change this decimal to fraction. Okay, let's change this decimal to fraction. That will be log 2 over 10. Okay, log 2 over 10. Now, the next thing there is this. If you go back to the topic that we treated, under logarithm, we looked at the laws of logarithm. Okay, now we can actually change this to log 2 minus log 10. Okay, now this is one of the laws of logarithm. Okay, division becomes what? Subtraction. Okay, now we have log 2 given in the question, but there's no log 10. But can I say something quickly? Now, if you have something like this, okay, so it simply means log 10 base 10, even if what you are not told. Okay, so if we look at your calculator, the logarithm value there is in base 10. Okay, so obviously this is what log 10 base 10, and log 10 base 10 will give us what? 1 is part of the laws of logarithm that we discussed about. Okay, so we'll be having now log 2 is given to us as 0.3010. Okay, minus log 10 base 10 is what? Is 1. All right, so let us do the subtraction quickly. 1.00, okay, 0 and 0.3010. Now you're subtracting. Okay, it is 0, it is 10 minus 1, that is 9. All right, so 9 is left here. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 3 is what? 6, and nothing is left here, so that's 0. So now because 0.3010 is subtracting 1, it gives us minus 0.6990. All right, so that's the answer. As simple as that. Now just follow the steps and then you arrive at the right answer. Okay, so that's for Roman figure 1. Now let's go to the next question that says log 35 raised to the power of 2. Log 35 raised to the power of 2. So how do we solve this? Now go back to the laws of logarithm that we discussed about. Now these 2 here will come here. So we'll be having 2 log 35. Look at this. This 2 comes here, it becomes 2 log 35. Now 35 is not given here. So what do we do? All right. Now if I multiply 5 and 7, I'm going to get what? 35. So I can write this as 2 log 5 times 7. Okay, 2 log 5 times 7. Right, now going back to the laws of logarithm. Okay, so we can change this to 2 log, okay, and put the bracket here, 5 plus log 7. Look at this, 2 brackets open log 5 plus log 7. All right, so it's part of the laws of what? Of logarithm. Now if you check here, there is log 7, but there is no log 5. Okay, now even if you know log 5, you don't assume or put the value of log 5, okay, since you are not given in the question. All right, so how do we deal with this? Now I can simply write this as 2 brackets open log 10 over 2. Okay, so if I divide 10 by 2, I'm going to get 5. then plus log 7. Okay, now this is 2 brackets open log 10. All right, this is division. It becomes minus log 2, then plus log 7. Right, so look at this. All right, part of the laws of logarithm. All right, and that is exactly what we did here. 2 over 10. Okay, log 2 over 10 will give us log 2 minus what? Log 10. Right, now from here, what do I do? Like I said before, log 10 base 10 will give us what? 1. Okay, so this is 2 bracket 1 minus log 2 plus log 7. Okay, now there's log 2 and there's what? Log 7. So I'm having 2 bracket 1 minus. Now, what is log 2? Log 2 is 0 0.3010. 0 0.3010 plus log 7 is 0 0.8451. All right, so let us quickly do the addition and subtraction here. All right, so 1 minus 0 0.3010, we've done that here. Okay, so we'll be getting 2 brackets. This will give us 0 0.6990 plus 0 0.8451. Okay, now let us do the addition quickly. All right, so that would be 2 brackets. 0 plus 1 is 1. 9 plus 5 is 14. So write down 4 carry 1. Okay. Now add that 1 to this 9 here becomes 10. Okay. So 10 plus 4 give us what? 14. Write down 4, you carry 1. Add that 1 to the 6 here, that becomes 7. 7 plus 8 will give us what? 15. Write down 5, carry 1. Right. So 0 plus 0 is 0, then plus 1. Okay. Now let us multiply. 2 times this will give us 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, write down 0, carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. So 3.0882. Okay, so you can see that is a step that you have to take. Okay, so that you can arrive at the right one. Okay, it says, without using mathematical table or calculator, find the value of log 3.6, given that log 2 equals this, equals to 0.3010, log 3 equals 0.4771, and log 5 equals 0.6990. Okay, so how do we solve this? Now, let us take it step by step. Okay, now I have log 3.6. Okay, so I can change 3.6 to a fraction. Okay, so I'm having 36 over what? 10. 36 over 10. Okay, now this can still be written as log 36 minus log 10. Look at this. Okay, go back to the laws of what logarithm. If you don't have that video, go look for that video and get a clarity on the laws of logarithm. So log 36 minus log 10, like I said before, log 10 base 10 is this logarithm here is in base 10. Okay, like I said before, you check a calculator, all the logarithm there, the logarithm there rather is in base 10. Okay, now 36 is not here. So what do I do? 36 is not given here as I mean the values of 36, log 36 is not given here. So what do I do? Now, this can be written as log 36 is the same thing as me writing as 6 raised to the power 2 minus log 10 base 10 is 1. Okay, now 2 can come here, 2 log 6 minus 1. All right, so if I have 2 log 6 minus 1, this can be written as 2 log. Now, take a look at this. This is what? 6 is what? 2 times 3. Okay? 2 times 3. So I'm having 2 um, times 3 minus what? 1. Okay? bracket close. 2 2 log bracket open 2 times 3 bracket close minus 1. Right? So this can be written as 2 log 2 plus 2 log 3, okay, minus 1. All right. Now, I can write this as 2, okay. Now, log 2 is given as 0.3010 plus 2. Log 3 is given as 0.4771 minus 1. Okay, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 3, then 2 times 0 is 0, plus 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 7, 14, plus 1, 15, 2 times 4, 8, plus 1, 9.0, minus what? 1. Okay, so now let's quickly add this. 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 0 plus 5 is 5, 6 plus 9, that is 15, and 0 plus 0, that is 0, then plus 1 minus 1. So that gives us 0.5562. Okay, so that is the answer. All right, so you can see that there are some steps that one has to follow in order to arrive at the right answer. Okay, so please go through it and then understand the concepts behind it, and then you'll get what the right answer. Okay, so until we'll meet again in our next class. Bye bye.